Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ocean here, and today I'm bringing you guys another video about how to fix OBS Studio, but this time it's Game Capture Black Screen. As you guys can see, Game Capture over here is currently black screen, and this also took me quite a long time to fix after figure out how to make display capture working. And again, I hope this easy few steps will save you guys a lot of time just to figure out how to fix Game Capture Black Screen. Let's get started. First of all, close OBS Studio if it's on. Just close it, and then same like display capture, you're going to go to display setting by right click anywhere on the screen and select display setting. Once display settings opened, scroll down to graphics setting, and then you have to go to browse again, and then select OBS Studio where you download the file, click add. Of course, I already added last time. And go to option, go to select high performance. This is where the graphics card you want to use once you are choosing to use game capture. Click save, close it, and then you're going to go to Nvidia control center. Control panel, not control center. And of course, it's gonna take a few seconds for my laptop to turn it on. Pretty sure you guys will open this faster than me. Sorry about that. And oh, by the way, I'm also going to show you some special things about OBS Studio, which is if you are trying to record Minecraft using game capture, there's a little step you have to do, which is just stay until the bit. Okay, so for now, go to program setting. Make sure you manage 30 settings though, and go to program setting, and make sure to select OBS Studio. If it's OBS Studio is not over here, just go to add, and then you have to find OBS Studio, add selected program, and then option 2, you have to select high performance Nvidia processor. This is where the processor you want to use for any game capture for your OBS Studio. And then you click apply. It's gonna take a while. I should open up my Overwatch game in the background just so I could show you, to prove the game capture is really working properly. And of course, okay, here it is. Nvidia control panel, save the setting. Let's close it. Open up OBS Studio. Okay, I might want to, get off Overwatch, just let Overwatch run in the background. Okay, is that windowed? Okay, this Overwatch looks a little bit weird, but that's fine. Now what do we want? We're just gonna wait OBS Studio to turns on, which is gonna take some time, which is well, my Overwatch is on, but that's not what I need. I don't need Overwatch. Aha, here is OBS Studio. And you can see my game capture is currently captured the Overwatch, which is that I just turned it on. You guys can see capture specific window, and I choose Overwatch. Here it is Overwatch running in the background, and it's being captured. Well, that's how you basically generally fix the game capture black screen in OBS Studio. One thing I'm going to talk about right now is if you are trying to capture Minecraft. Well, here you might ask, okay, they're all games. Why does Minecraft be special? Well, it kind of has to be special. Let me show you how to fix once you try to, capture any games, and specifically Minecraft, but it's still a black screen. You did what I just told you guys to do. Again, similarly, you know what? Let's just close Overwatch just because it's too annoying in the background. And then let's get rid of this. You're going to go back to display setting again. And you guys might already know this. Display setting, you have to go to graphics setting from there. Okay, so here is a display setting. It's opening up, and scroll down, graphics setting. And then you are going to make sure you're in classic apps, go to browse, and then you are going to go to the file where you download Minecraft and go to runtime and JRX64, whatever the name. Go to Bing. Scroll down to java.w.exe. Make sure it's java.w.exe, not Java. Select and click add. And because I already add this, it will show you it's already added, but that's fine. Click on this, go to option, and make sure you select the high performance. Once you did that, just click save and then run Minecraft just to show you it works. Oh, by the way, I could turn it off. And of course, it's black screen for gameplay capture because I'm not really capturing anything, or it's trying to capture the Overwatch, which is it doesn't really exist, so it's just capturing nothing. So you're seeing black screen. But don't hesitate. Open Minecraft, and let me just show you guys how it works. Let's launch it. It might take a few minutes to prepare, but let's skip this part for you guys. Alright, here we go. The Minecraft is on. Let's go back to OBS Studio. Switch the game capture window to Minecraft. Hit OK. And then here it is. Minecraft in your OBS Studio game capture display. As you guys can see, if I open up screen, you can see the mouse that's like in the center. And that's how you fix OBS Studio game capture black screen. And for Minecraft, you have to do a little extra step, just like I show you guys. I'm pretty sure, not pretty sure, I'm 100% sure it's going to work because that's how I fixed my problem. And I hope this video really helps you guys. Again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, make sure to turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Those videos will really help you. And Minecraft recorded. I will see you in the next one. Bye.